Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your online dropshipping business with Squarespace, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the dropshipping business model to understand how it works. Identify a niche for your online store that aligns with your interests and market demand. Conduct market research to analyze competition and verify product viability. Choose reliable dropshipping suppliers that fit your niche and evaluate their product quality and shipping times. Create a Squarespace account if you haven't already. Select a template that suits your brand and product offerings. Customize your template by adding your business name, logo, and relevant branding elements. Set up your online store by navigating to the Commerce section in Squarespace. Add the products you intend to sell by creating individual product pages. Include clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing information for each item. Configure payment processing by integrating services like Stripe or PayPal in the payment settings. Set shipping options to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Create legal pages, such as a privacy policy and terms of service, for your store. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Test your website's functionality by simulating a purchase to ensure everything works seamlessly. Launch your online store once you are satisfied with the setup and functionality. Promote your store through social media, content marketing, or paid advertising to attract customers. Monitor your website's performance and make adjustments as needed to enhance user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.